Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, and I've decided to do the drawings for the Winter's Tale for the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and also the Winter's Tale drawing for the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group by just recording my screen directly and not using my Chromebook and recording it with the overhead camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group drawing, and then I'm going to stop the video, and that's going to be one video, and then we're going to start over again and do the Junk Journal Tutorials and More video for their drawing. Okay, so this drawing is just for the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group people that entered into the Winter's Tale drawing by putting hashtag Winter's Tale in their posts and posting pictures of things that they've made by either using just the freebies or the freebies and the kit or just the kit. Okay, so there's 97 people on the list, so I put the upper limit at 97, the lower limit is at 1, and this is just a random number from the last time that I used this. So we're going to generate a number, and this is going to be the third place winner. Now, let me just say this. To claim your prize, you're going to have to either message me at Terry S. Lee or email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com, and either one of those notifications will be a way to claim your prize. You will have 3 days to claim your prize. So today is Thursday. I'm going to say Sunday at midnight. And then after that, you're going to forfeit your prize because I need to mail them out, and we can't have everybody else, waiting on you. So with having that all said, let's generate the first number. Number 20 wins third prize, and number 20 is Naomi Shaw. Let me highlight her name on the list. I've got the list printed out. So she won third prize. That's going to be one junk journal kit from either Nonstop Paper Crafts or LineDotArrow. So you'll be able to go to both shops and pick out a kit from one or the other. Not one from each, but one from one or the other. Okay, this is our second place winner. That's going to be number 95. Hold on while I turn the page here on my printout. Oopsie. Of course. All right. And you can only win once per drawing per group. So if you win something in this drawing, you can still win something in the Junk Journal tutorials and more. All right. Number 95 is Beja Degree. I believe that's how it's pronounced. The last name, it's Bejadegries is how the name is spelled. So let me mark that on my list. That was really close to the end, wasn't it? That's given us a pretty good spread now. Okay, so that's going to be second place. So, Beja, you're going to receive 2 junk journal kits. So you can pick one kit from Nonstop Paper Crafts and one kit from LineDotArrow, or you can pick 2 kits from Nonstop Paper Crafts or 2 kits from LineDotArrow. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the first place drawing, and now that's a physical a physical gift, and it's going to be a junk journal grab bag. So I'm just going to pull some stuff from my stash, and it's all going to be new stuff, don't worry. And then I will send it to you in the mail. When you get it in the mail, please take a photo of your winnings and post it in the Sweet Pea Papers group, and go ahead and post it in the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group if you would. In past drawings, the winners haven't done that, and I was a little disappointed, but I didn't mention it during the drawing. Okay, so this time I'm mentioning it, and I really think you need to post a picture. Maybe say thank you if you want, if you like your prize, but at least post a picture and say what it was for, and that it was for winning the first place prize in the Sweet Pea Papers winner tail drawing. Okay, so here's our first place winner, number 47, and that is going to be Tabitha Haynes. Tabitha Haynes. Okay, so Tabitha, you're going to need to get a hold of me. You won the first place prize, so you get the grab bag. And like I said, you guys have till Sunday to get a hold of me. Use Terry S. Lee in Facebook Messenger, or email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. Now, both of these are going to be on the screen so that you will be able to see it, and you don't have to go by my spelling and stuff, or try to figure out the spelling, because my first name is spelled T-E-R-I-1-R. Okay? All right, so that's it for this drawing, and congratulations to all the winners, and hopefully I'll hear from you and all the prizes will be claimed. I will forward the names on to Natalie and to Suzanne, and then if you contact me and I forward you on to them, then they will know that you are indeed a winner. All right, so thank you for joining me. Congratulations to all the winners, and I will see you in the next tutorial series on the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. Okay, all right, well, thank you very much. This seems to have gone very well this way.